Well, it's 3:26. I don't know if you can see it, it's 3:26. Just woke up with some really chronic asthma symptoms. I've been coughing. Got it under control now. I just used my nebulizer, which really helped. Now I've got all the repercussions of moving mucus in my chest. I woke up not being able to unable to breathe. I was having a very productive cough, and I had a audible wheeze. This is like the third night on the trot now. I haven't been able to sleep properly, and been waking up. I haven't been in contact because I've been in hospital and they wouldn't let me record there. So I thought I'd record now. I don't think I don't think this time's a hospital admittance. It's most definitely knackering. Just want to sleep now. No doubt in the next couple of hours I'll be waking up again, needing to use my nebulizer. At least it's Saturday and I get a day off. But when this happens during the week and I have work or commitments, I just got to carry on with it, and it's so difficult to do. See, this is what reason why I'm doing these vlogs is because I want to show what it's like for me every day with my condition, and make people see how it affects my life and how controlling it can be. And it's not just for the benefit of other people, it's for my own benefit. So say if my doctor saw this, they can see what I go through on a daily basis instead of just seeing me every 6 weeks and just guessing. Well, I'm going to have a good old cough time and try and grab some sleep before I have to get up at 7, and it's now 3:29. So hopefully I'll be fighting fit tomorrow. I'll update you with a new vlog tomorrow morning, and thank you for watching. Please donate to Asthma UK. Hopefully more donations you give, the less time I have to be spending at 3:29 in the morning. Thank you.